All right, good morning, everyone here. So we have headline news. I talked about this yesterday. Um, I said to watch for a news. No, I said watch for headlines tomorrow, and so we have PPI that came out, but there was also just basically talk of officials urging Walter Bloomberg, good for nothing, buddy, urging people to leave Israel and China urging their people to leave Iran. I can't believe that Walter couldn't figure that out, but it's up there. Trust me. But yeah, oil saw that a little bit, and you can see up 3.6% pre-market. Nice move there. But yeah, I told you to watch for a headline today, and if you remember the other part of what I said, I don't think you should chase a headline in either direction here. This morning, I think that's going to get mean reverted here. Wouldn't be surprised to see a 690 close again. That's kind of where they've had this thing plugged in, the kind of destination plugged in since the beginning of the week for Friday, from what I can see. But right now here, 68.70 big level. That's your low from yesterday. That is actionable. I will be engaging that. If we get it here, maybe we'll do it live. Normally, I don't just give out free trades like that during this, but it's Friday. And honestly, I don't even want to trade today. Like, I'm just sick of this. Like, I see you guys talking about, yeah, it is a great day trading market, but dude, can we just like not for one king day, please? Can we just not have to do this? Like, all right. Really good week though for us, and we're wrapping it up strong right now. Again, just really quick, 60% off first month active trader, 30% off swing trades. That's till midnight tonight. So jump in while you can. We'll be covering these, the market wrap up today on Gamma Boy trades as well. But anyway, right now, ES down here, big levels here coming into play. Obviously, 69.50, we know that. And it looks like we hit we hit the, so if your members, I'm gonna find that chart because I swear I posted this exact scenario here like 2 days ago, of some sort of like kind of that set up there in our Discord. But yeah, we'll see. We're right there. I mean, we could adjust that line up if this ends up being a low. But yeah, watch 68.70 here on the E-mini. Yeah, and we'll see how this goes here. When the bombs fly, you must buy. We'll see. Gold's getting a nice pop there. Silver up 5.5. So there's 92. Let me see that SLV. Yeah, so that's trying to get away from the 80 handle. And also be careful too. The White House could come out. They say something like, "We didn't say that." That would be typical of them. So just be careful. Like, don't chase these trades. Don't chase these headlines here. Just fade when the market gets off sides. That's what we do here. Anyway, yeah, we'll see. I don't think we're gonna go down today. I think you fade the open. I told you that yesterday. I said look for a headline. I didn't know Iran was gonna happen, but I just told you look for a headline. I just tell sometimes how the market's trading, and and by the way, you're gonna have to take me to the grave to get me to give away how I figure that out. But yeah, look for a headline and fade it. So that's what we're doing here. Tesla relative strength down a little bit. It has held up pretty well, hasn't it? Yeah. I just don't know what to make of this pattern here. Like on the weekly, it looks you could make even on like the monthly. The monthly is actually okay. You got a nice bull inside there, and the 20 MA is catching up to price. So I mean, you could make a case like on the monthly. This is just bull chop here, and this could catch up to price and break it out. But the daily and weekly are just really, really, they're not very clean. They're just really, really grindy. But could be though. I also wouldn't be surprised to see Nvidia close at 190 today. By the way, speaking of Nvidia, since you said that, oil goes, yeah, it's below 6.7. I don't think we're gonna close there though. And what do you mean below the low of the prior month? I mean, I guess that would be like your stair step, right? Potentially, but I don't see it. Yeah, you're sick, so hope you, if you're actually sick, hope you get better. Um, yeah, Netflix. I did take gain on my Netflix, so that was nice. Warner Brothers said the Paramount deal was substantially better. Oh yes, substantial. And I just trimmed mine. I have a little runner size left in it, just in case it wants to keep going. But yeah, it gapped up nicely. And plus, like I've noticed their management was like, we want Warner Brothers really bad. Like, so who knows? They could panic and come out and be like, oh, like we we're gonna up our offer or something like that. Which that would make me sell the stock if they actually said that like this quickly. I would think that management's totally incompetent, and doesn't know how to negotiate. But yeah, nice move for Netflix. Let's just see. I haven't even looked at the dealer levels here because it did. I know that they weren't hedged. I know that they weren't hedged past 90. Yeah, so they still aren't. So this might mean revert um, unless we really start seeing call buying come on the open. So that could mean revert a bit. So Flick's holding up here. I think we're gonna probably hold down here on the futures until the open, but I got my triggers ready to go here. I already know what I'm looking for here. Yeah, I would sell the stock like Steve. I would sell not just for that news, but I would sell the stock. Like I would be like, you don't know how to negotiate, buddy. That I would not want to hear that as a shareholder. Gotcha, Tozy. IGV's not done bouncing, Dave. I don't think, not even close. I think it just started. Really needs a little shake and bake here first. INTU. Yeah. Oh yeah. W had a really nice one. Yeah, the other day that was a very good, strong on volume too. Right. I love how it swept that low too. Got into those at that area. Very nice. Oh, they got the 3 billion. Okay. Oh, there's definitely end of month shenanigans for sure. There definitely can be. But everybody's making a big deal about this monthly close, and that's not. I'm not saying I've seen it like multiple times in the last couple of days. I don't really see why everybody's so. I mean, I get it. The monthly close is important. I've talked about that many times, but dude, we're just going sideways on the monthly. It's not like if we close up an extra dollar or so, it's all of a sudden like, oh my God, like it's so much more bullish now. And we're just consolidating on the monthly here. Um, yeah, like if we break out of the range on the monthly close, then yeah, that would be like more substantial, obviously. But like, who cares if we close at 689 or 687? Like, I don't really see that being a huge mover today. Certain things, like maybe XLF, like things that have actually moved. Yeah, so like for this, I'd want to see above. Well, I mean, I guess it's still, yeah. So like basically, this already got saved, right? Because it got that bounce. So yeah, I guess you could say probably like 52 would be a good level to hold. It's gapping down today, but it's only 20 cents away from that. But you get what I'm saying. Okay, Brandon. Yeah, no, I am. I knew this. I knew it was gonna be like this morning too. But I'm just like, dude, I just want to like not do it for one day. Even though it's like going well and everything, I would just prefer. It would be nice to have an easy day, for once in a while without like so much drama. And we're in. I mean, right now. I mean, look at this. This is like I'll use the cash S&P. But that was last Tuesday. That's like every day is like 100 points. Like 69.50. That's 90 points right there, and that was in an hour basically. You know, the close here is 68.90. Dude, it's like 100 points day, like every day. It's like, dude, man. The gains are great, but sometimes it's like nice to just not have to do that. Yeah, Tozy. Yeah, I think yeah, Bitstonk's not terrible either, but it's got to crack. It's got to get through this damn level here. I think it's having a lot of trouble with it. Ethereum Soul, it's still hanging in there. See, the dollar's up a little bit here. We got to watch that 98 handle. Starting to firm up nicely now. Looks like yields kind of maybe have put in a little short-term bottom here on PPI. We'll see. 2-year here bouncing. Got a little bit of a higher low there. See how's oil doing? So oil's still going. So unless this gets walked back soon, like if this doesn't get walked back, oil should remain up into the week, like into the end week Friday close. Unless somebody knows something and then it gets walked back over the weekend. But yeah, we'll see what we get here. SPY 680 is below us. There is put support there. I can confirm that for you. But yeah, I would just watch that low from yesterday. That's going to be a key. And we'll be trading that here in the room in a few minutes, I'm sure. So anyway, at least we got some news pre-market. Some of these have been kind of boring lately, but we'll see what we get here. Should be another fun day. Another 100 billion point move. So, all right, anyways, I will wrap it up here. Got to get ready to run the room. Don't forget to join the Discord if you haven't. Come find Gamma Boy trades for the afternoon videos. You guys take care. Happy trading. Happy Friday.